Yes, our radiance level gap, another N90s. We wait our mark. And she's beauteous, our radiance level gap. Another than Isabel. We wait our mark. Okay, now let's continue. Guys, all you need to reason why you guys are all eat or better to the eat mouth. Do they have bears? Hey guys, do you have bears? No? Well, it's because they're from here, which are shaped like a bird's wing. The third difference can also be translated as included. It's a little to do something like weights. With that,